Welcome everyone to this English lesson, Intermediate English, Mastering Daily, Everyday Communication. So again, I'm not going to read off every slide. I think you can do that. It's kind of boring if I do it anyway, but I'll talk around each slide. So feel free to pause it when you need to, and probably you will. This is a picture of my lovely daughter when she was younger. So these are the lesson objectives. So take a look at these. Grammar mastery, vocabulary expansion, practical application, confidence building. I think confidence is so important. You have to kind of have a can-do attitude when it comes to learning a language like English. So this is when to use the present simple, when and how to use it. So you need to use it with a subject and base verb, and make sure you add S for he, she, or it. That's a very common mistake that people make. Here are some examples. She drinks coffee every morning. The sun rises in the east. I work from Monday to Friday. So this is how we use the present continuous. It's perfect for current actions that are happening now. It involves simple formation. And here are some real examples. I am studying English now, or in my case, I am teaching English now. They are playing football outside. So you use this to talk about things that are happening right now or are only temporary. They are not permanent. You may need to look those words up. I'm not sure. So now it's time to test your understanding. Here's a practice activity. Choose the correct form. So pause the video and try to answer these questions. Then I will read out the answers. So number 1, he works at a bank. Number 2, we are watching a movie right now. Here is some essential vocabulary for everyday activities. Cook means to prepare or make meals. Clean, tidy up spaces. Drive, operate a vehicle like a car or truck. Read, look at written words. Read a book, read a magazine. Listen, pay attention to sounds. You are listening to me now. You're listening to Kevin. Watch, observe with your eyes. Can you match the pictures to some of these meanings? So try to practice some of your English. Describe your daily routine. So try to do some of these if you can. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast and go to work. Maybe after breakfast, I brush my teeth. So talk about your daily routines. Maybe after watching this lesson, do a little bit of writing practice. So what are you doing now? I'm learning English and enjoying this lesson, hopefully. So writing steps, think about what you are doing now. Use am, is, are, and verb, and ing. Write your sentences. Share with a partner, maybe share with a friend or family member, or even coworker if you're on lunchtime. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Make sure you know what verb tense to use. I work every day is correct. Number 2, she goes to school is correct. Number 3, I live in London is correct. So, as I've said in other videos, every day try to study or practice a bit of English, be it listening, writing, speaking if you get a chance. Try to pay attention to some of the grammar rules that we've learned today. Daily practice tips, speak, write, and listen in English every day. Small steps lead to big progress. That's so true, whether it's tennis or guitar or learning a language like English. Even 10 minutes a day is good. It adds up to a lot in 1 month or so. So thank you for watching, and you may want to watch this video again just to make sure you know all the points. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.